Good morning, class 10th. Today's we will study about the evidence from evolution. You know that the definition of evolution in earlier classes. Today's we will discuss about the evidence from evolution. From the various biological studies tells us a different kinds of organism, their origin and their functions tells us a different kinds of organism produced and they evolved a different kinds of structure and later becomes a new species. Means a number of common features of different organism provide evidence. A number of common characteristic features provides a evidence, means they are evolved from a common ancestors. They have developed from a common ancestors. More characteristics are common between the organism, so that they have evolved a common ancestor and they becomes closely related species. Means if the more similarities are common between the among the organism, so they are more closely related, and more closely related species indicates they have a one common ancestors. In the case of evidence, first we will discuss about the evidence from homologous organs. What are the homologous organs? These organs are, you can say, those organs which have a same basic structure. Those organs which have a same basic structure but differ in function, but different functions are known as homologous organs. Means their origin and their structure are same, but their function will be different, known as homologous organs. For example, such as forelimb of humans, forelimb of humans, forelimbs of lizard, forelimbs of birds, and forelimbs of bat. They are in similar origin and similar structure, such as in human beings, the forelimbs made up of humerus, radius ulna, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. This is a hand forelimb, which composed of humerus, radius ulna, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. And these bones are also present in the lizard, and these bones are similar in a bird, and these bones are also found in a bat. Means all the organisms are differ in shape and size, but their function are differ and the structure are similar. What are the function of human forelimb? We can say grasping. What are the function of forelimb of lizard? You can say running or crawling. What are the function of bird? You can say flying. And what are the function of the bat? can say also flying. So these are the basic same, basic origin and structure are same, but their function are differ. So that they evolved from a common ancestor. They evolved from a common ancestor and to spread out into a different form and function known as homologous organ. Another one is analogous organs. Those organs which are similar in function but differ in origin and structure is known as analogous organs, such as the structure of wings in birds and in insects. The structure of wings in birds and insects are differ. In the case of birds, wings present the bones, whereas in the case of insect they are non-cordate and bone is absent. Means their structure are differ, their shape are differ, but they have a common function which is flying. Means bird used to their wings for flying, and also the insect also use their wings for flying. They show they are same, they show the similar function, but they are differ. Means they are not evolved into from a common ancestor. They have evolved from a different types of ancestor, but due to the environmental condition they have evolved for the flying. So these are the homologous and analogous organs which provides evidence for the evolution, and tomorrow we will discuss about the evidence from fossil. Thank you.